Hi, this is TJ with Johnstone Supply St. Louis. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to upgrade a homeowner's filter with this Respicare electrostatic air cleaner. This is a MERV 16 filter that's going to remove a lot of the dust and dirt and particles that are in the air. Not only that, it's going to help to remove a lot of the germs, mold, and bacteria that is floating in the air. Within this current pandemic that we're in, we know how important it is to remove all of the particulates in the air to make sure we have a clean, healthy environment. And a MERV 16 filter is the best way to do that with removing all those particulates. It's the highest rated MERV rating that you can receive. This filter also has a very, very low static pressure drop across it. Going to be a lot lower static pressure drop than what we are currently using inside of this filter right here. How you're going to do this is you're going to simply remove that old filter and you're going to unbox your Respicare filter, and inside there is a packet that will have the instructions and a little wiring harness for you. You're going to go ahead and slide this filter right into that existing slot. Take out the instructions and the wiring harness. This wiring harness is very simple and easy to install. You're going to just simply hook it up to your R and C down here on your control board. We're going to go ahead and feed this right here to the unit. It will simply plug right into the top of that filter, and then you'll run your wire down over and into the lower compartment, unhooking your R and C off of the control board. Doesn't matter which one we hook up to where. We'll strip back these wires just a little bit more. Again, plugging it right onto R. And C. Tightening down the screw. And then you'll see, we'll go ahead and flip the power on to the side of the unit, closing the door switch. You should see your light come on and you're ready to go. This can be wired in with either continuous fan or to run with the fan in the auto position and just let the heater cool coil circulate the air. Obviously, it's much better to have it running in the on position, so we're constantly filtering the air that's inside of our homes. And we know that our homes are 5 times more polluted than the outside air, and this is a great way, very inexpensive, fast and easy to get your homeowner MERV 16 filtration and clean their air. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call one of the team members at Johnstone Supply, and thank you very much.